How to apply job in McDonald's online. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and as you do that, tap on the search bar and search for McDonald's job. As you do that, you can see different options that pop up. So just tap on the very first option that pops up. So that is McDonald's Careers official website. Now here you can see there are different jobs available, from restaurant jobs to corporate careers to become a franchisee. So here I'm going to select on corporate careers. As you do that, it will land you to a new page where you can select on what type of job are you looking for over here in the search bar, and you can select the positions near certain locations and then tap on search, and you'll be able to find the location and the job over there, and you can apply accordingly. Next, you can just tap on the search jobs now by scrolling down, and you can find different jobs and apply them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.